Excited naman tong mga to.
Left nerve link lost. Please check your cyber limb connection.
Buti na lang may ibang tao.
Teammate redeployed. Vital signs improving.
Laya. Ano muna tayo? Parang boy. Ang bilis naman naubos ang kalaban nila din. Ano, may tao na ata dito.
Updating the drivers. The Ripper arm installed. Wounded teammate detect. Teammate eliminated by enemy.
Chill.
Armor fully stocked. Limb pairing in progress. The Phosphor Fury arm installed.
Sa 11 hours. Sariling mundo. Ang hirap pagka ganyan yung kasama mo.
Limb pairing. Teammate redeployment successful.
Ba't ako
Runner's
nagpalit?
legs installed. Roadrunner's legs installed.
Sariling lakad eh. Nice one. Na-headshot ko yun.
Do some meditation, call your mom, shoot somebody in the face. The grid overload zone is on hold. Loadout package drop started. Got some
Down.
custom gear inbound.
Anis. Yan, sa'yo. Dito.
Let's move there.
Hindi ko lang makita kung nasan. Ano yun? Kaya nga eh. Ano to? No! Ano to?
Track down and eliminate hostile zero. Target
Parang
proximity
tango.
area is marked on your map.
Someone's flipped the big red switch in Little Kiev and are extracting the hex right now.
Dumikit na naman yung saksa ko sa likod na. Nakakutot ako sa saksak natin. Likod mo ah. Likod mo. Nice.
Teammate
Nice, ah.
assistance required. Alert. You are losing blood.
What a brave little oh Jesus. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but the grid is about to
Yung mas maganda
Teammate
gawin pag
revival successful.
nakadown ka ng
Be advised,
kalaban.
there is a bounty on your teammate.
Pukpukin mo na lang. Para auto ano na.
Armor fully
May
loaded.
nagaglide. Alis ako dyan. Ipit tayo dyan. Uy, bossing. How is life? Mamaya mga na bossing ah.
Teammate revival advised. Alert. Teammate death detected.
Hindi mo pa iniwa dyan isa natin. Katay ka dyan.
You're one of 25 zeros in this match.
Target
Oh!
survived. Teardrop
Ano yun?
These are words that you are gonna become
Ano
extremely.
yun? Nakita ba?
If you do not
Ray.
improve your fucking game, you got your
Huh?
asses head on right. Grid is on hold just for you. Get yourself together so we can continue.
Ano yun? Hindi ako mamatay dun. Wala naman akong ginawa eh. Nag-glade lang ako, gagi. Ha? Tara.
Be advised, enemy initiated hex extraction in Source City.
Palit ka na ng IGN, Ray. Hindi, ikaw, isip ka ng magandang pangalan, wag sa Ray. Ray Cutie.